Hi viewers, now you are going to learn kitchenware vocabulary in English. Spoon, S-P-O-N, spoon. Fork, F-O-R-K, fork. Chopsticks, C-H-O-P-S-T-I-C-K-S, chopsticks. Plate, P-L-A-T-E, plate. Bowl, B-O-W-L, bowl. Cup, C-U-P, cup. Glass, G-L-A-S-S, glass. Teapot, T-E-A-P-O-T, teapot. Jug, J-U-G, jug. Knife, K-N-I-F-E, knife. Ladle, L-A-D-L-E, ladle. Kettle, K-E-T-T-L-E, kettle. Plate, P-L-A-T-E, plate. Tray, T-R-A-Y, tray. Pot, P-O-T, pot. Frying pan, F-R-Y-I-N-G, frying pan, P-A-N, pan, frying pan. Saucepan, S-A-U-C-E, sauce, P-A-N, pan. Peeler, P-E-E-L-E-R, peeler. Tongs, T-O-N-G-S, tongs. Spatula, S-P-A-T-U-L-A, spatula. Children, you have to practice this kitchenware vocabulary. Okay?